This quick update, whoever traveling north in Vermont, New Hampshire, the 302 is clear now. The visibility is clear now, but still they have a snow wind here, so just be careful. The roads are freezing, so make sure you're driving slow. Thank you, folks. Keep connecting. Look, they're still doing the snow plowing. The 302, as you can see, they have a heavy wind there. See, the roads are so freezing, and I don't know, maybe after that they have a black ice or not. Just drive safe, guys. As you can see, it's heavy wind here near Mount Willard, Route 302. People still going for hiking. That's cool. Oh my God. Wow. Who else knows this valley? It's next to Mount Willard. It's very steep, and I don't know, the person is like 13%, as you can see on the board. This is one of the best valley. Whenever I cross this valley, I love the view. Even in the summer, falls, winter, doesn't